School ba Mahatma Gandhi University ka banakani ka jala Meghalaya hak arp sautrik nailor kala pentep bakla dap Ïasoi ya ka MOU par ka XLR banwanra ya ka wei ka tanat ai jingi ka shiki samla puli par kumjo jong kito ki patre kam ki office paper ki patep kum ka program management quality management Six Sigma bat ka data science bat ka business analytics senior PRO ka Mahatma Gandhi University anan ayar ulong kani ka MOU ka balai Ïasoi kadan ka jingtmu ban pen yo kam yo jam ya ki samla nakaliang ke MOU kadan ka jingtmu ban pen sapriang ya kani jingpuli haki center paper jong ka school ba
to bring to integrate the ready to apply industry skills in our programs. So we decided to start with 3 courses. One is in project management, another is in quality management, and third is in data analytics. We will be offering these programs in 2 modes. One will be integration with the existing degree courses, so that students will have option to study add-on skill that will help in their employment. Second will be the open mode program, which would be open for entrepreneurs, working executives, consultants, or anyone who want to upgrade the skill in the particular.